In this video, we're going to find the radius of a arc length, given the arc length and the angle subtended at the center. So we're going to have to find this distance here. Arc length is 2 pi r times the angle divided by 360. The angle in this case is 45. So we're going to have 9, because the arc length is 9, is equal to 45 over 360 times 2 pi times r. Right, don't do too much in one go, but obviously to do the opposite of dividing, so we've got to make r the subject. The opposite of dividing by 360 is to multiply both sides by 360. So 9 times 360 is 3,240. And then 45 times 2 is equal to 90. Leave pi as it is, r. Now what we need to do is to divide by 90 pi both sides, because we've got multiplied by 90 pi here. We're trying to make r the subject, so we've got 3,240 divided by 90 pi is equal to r. On a calculator, using the fraction button, just write it in: 3240 fraction button 90 pi, all right, is equal to 11.459. So r will be equal to 11.459. Round off to 3 significant figures, so that will make that 405. So the answer will be 11.5 centimeters to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the radius r given the arc length. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.